Secrets of Happy Marriage. The golden rays of the setting sun filtered through the windows, casting a warm glow on the faces of John and Sophie. They sat hand in hand, surrounded by their children and grandchildren, in their cozy living room adorned with memories of their 30 years together. It was a special day, their 30th wedding anniversary. "Dad, Mom, what's the secret to your happy marriage?" their eldest daughter, Emma, asked with a curious smile. The room hushed, everyone eager to hear the wisdom that had bound John and Sophie together through decades. John glanced at Sophie, his eyes twinkling with shared memories. "Well, for starters, communication has been our cornerstone," he began. "We've always made it a point to talk things out, no matter how small or big." Sophie nodded, squeezing his hand. "Absolutely. And respect, too. We may disagree, but we've always respected each other's views, haven't we, John?" John smiled. "Yes, we have. Even when I thought turning the garage into an art studio was impractical." They all laughed, knowing Sophie's studio had become the heart of their home. Their youngest son, Michael, chimed in. "You guys always seem to have so much fun together." Sophie's eyes sparkled. "That's because we never stop dating each other, Michael. Every week, your dad and I make time for each other. Just a simple walk in the park or a coffee date, but it's our time. And supporting each other, that's key," John added, his voice warm with sincerity. "Like when Sophie's mother was sick, and she needed to be with her. I took care of things here, so she didn't have to worry." Sophie leaned into John. "And when John decided to start his own business, I knew it was going to be tough. But I believed in him. We were a team, through and through." Their middle daughter, Lily, asked, "But you both are so different, how do you manage?" "It's about balance and giving each other space," Sophie explained. "John loves his golf, and I love my book club. We have our interests, which we enjoy separately, but we always share our experiences with each other. And remember, kids, every marriage has its ups and downs," John said earnestly. "It's how you handle those downs that matter. We've had our share of arguments, but we learned to listen, to understand, not just to respond." Sophie's voice was gentle yet firm. "And we never lost sight of our shared dreams and values. Like how important it was for us to raise you three in a home filled with love and respect." The room was filled with a warm, affectionate energy as John and Sophie shared their life lessons. Their story wasn't just about love, it was about mutual respect, understanding, and growing together while allowing each other space to grow individually. As the evening waned, their family raised a toast to John and Sophie, celebrating not just their 30 years of marriage but the timeless lessons of love, respect, and companionship that they had imparted.